Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has dedicated two major power grid transmission projects with a combined capacity of about 8 gigawatts. He also laid the foundation stone for the Kurnool 4 Renewable Energy Zone Phase 1 transmission system of 4.5 gigawatts in Andhra Pradesh. Southeastern Coalfields Limited has successfully completed the scientific closure of 28 abandoned mines. This accounts for nearly 67% of all scientifically closed abandoned mines in India, underlining the company's strong focus on responsible and sustainable mining. Oil India Limited has been awarded the Bombay Chamber Inclusion Award 2026 in the Energy, Resources and Industrial Sector category, becoming the first PSU to receive this prestigious recognition. The award was presented during the Bombay Chamber Inclusion Awards 2026 held in Mumbai on July 31, 2026. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has received a letter of intent for building a fully electric battery-powered tug. The order comes from Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port, SMPA, Kolkata. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited has inducted 11 electric vehicles into its official fleet on a lease basis, reinforcing its commitment to environmental sustainability and responsible governance. Sanjay Kumar Singh, Director Projects at NHPC Limited, has been conferred the Hydro Vibhushan Award. The honor was presented at the 18th India Hydro and PSPS Awards 2026 during the Hydro Vision Conclave in New Delhi. The award is organized by the Hydropower Forum of India under the Inertia Foundation and REPA. Mekon Limited and NMDC Steel Limited have signed an agreement to collaborate on consultancy services for several upcoming projects of NMDC Steel. Under the MOA, Mekon will provide engineering and consultancy services to support the planning and execution of NSL's future expansion and development projects. MEC LEPF Trust organized a dedicated capacity building program for its trustees at the MECL corporate office in Nagpur. The training was held under the guidance of Shri Surendra Singh Kshatriya, Chairman of MEC LEPF Trust. It was coordinated by Shri Biswajit Dora, Secretary of the Trust. CRISIL Ratings has upgraded Central Bank of India's corporate credit rating and Tier 2 bonds to AA+/stable. Tier 1 bonds raised to AA/stable. Certificate of deposits reaffirmed at A1+. The bank has remained profitable for 21 consecutive quarters. Profit after tax for Q1 FY 2027 was 1,324 crore rupees. The Reserve Bank of India has appointed SMT Monisha Chakrabarti as Executive Director with effect from August 3, 2026. Prior to being promoted as ED, SMT Monisha Chakrabarti was serving as Chief General Manager in charge in the Department of Supervision.